Catch me inside. How about that? Okay, welcome back. What's going on? It's Dylan here. I hope everyone had a nice Christmas and also a Happy New Year. It's cold out here, but the show must go on. So I'm thinking about doing the first Q&A for this channel, and hopefully I can get the crew along in that video, and we are gonna answer any questions that you guys have. So if you have a question, please leave a comment down below, and then early next year we'll probably get to it. Yeah, ask us anything, appropriate questions like future mods, what made us get into these cars, anything. Just ask us, leave a comment, and yeah. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about everything that's done to the FA5. It's the end of the year 2017, so it's just a car check, just an overview of what's done. So let's get started. So let's start off in the engine bay. First we got K-tuned reservoir cover, fast road JDM, battery tie down. We're tuned on Honda base map, K&N Typhoon intake, short ram / cold air, still retains the lower intake tube, K-tune valve cover breather, and the latest mod was a P2R throttle body spacer with 2 K-tune thermal gaskets. So for lighting, we got the Nokia Hyper Yellow DRL with the red JDM emblem in the front. For the low beams and fog lights, we got the Nokia Arctic White, and you can see the Asia front lip. Mugen visors, along with window tint, 35% in the front, 15% in the rear. Red JDM emblem on the back. For the interior, we got the bright shift boot, also got a Takata keychain, and the red JDM steering wheel emblem. LED interior lights, and finally Honda Primo windshield banner. So thank you everyone for the support so far. Really appreciate it. Stay safe out there. and I'll see you guys in the new year. Peace out. Take care.